Simplify 65 square minus 1 divided 2 to the power 5. So this numerator 65 square minus 1 we can consider as a square minus b square. How? Look, 65 we can consider a and 1 consider b. 1 square means 1. So this one we can write 65 plus 1 and 65 minus 1 and divided 2 to the power 5 we can write this one 32. So this is 65 plus 1 means 66 times 65 minus 1 means 64 divided 2. Now we can divide 64 by 32, it will be 2. So 66 times 2 is a 132 and this is our answer. Thank you.